Hello, my name is Martin Schlott. I'm founder and managing director of MCPK. 25 years ago, I started as a software developer myself. I successfully studied computer science with a focus on economics. I worked as a software developer in project management and managed my own projects. Now I run the company MCPK in the Ukraine. 3 years ago, a customer asked me if I could help him with a software project in Munich. The project was already running for some time, but it was hard to find the right software developers. Also, budget had to be kept. We decided to relocate the project from Munich to Kyiv in Ukraine. While we had trouble finding 5 developers in 6 months in Munich, we were able to build up a team of 10 developers in less than 8 weeks there. And we remained well below budget. We were able to get the project off the ground successfully in the given time. I would like to pass this experience to more customers. That's why I decided to offer this service with MCPK. What is outstaffing? Essentially, outstaffing means that you add a developer or a team to your existing structure. We just support this developer here in Ukraine for you. This is a big difference to outsourcing. There, you give a concrete order, you create the necessary specification and commission a company. We, on the other hand, are looking for and looking after your new team members here in Ukraine. It is nothing else than an external employee for you. You fit seamlessly into your structure. We do not limit ourselves to software developers. Everything digital can be outstaffing. Professions with a high proportions of stay abroad, such as service technicians, are also interesting. The biggest advantage for your company? There are 3. We take over the annoying pre-selection, the recruiting. We invest a lot of time so that you are presented with exactly the right candidates to choose between. We take care of your new team members, so no onboarding in your administration. And last but not least, the price structure is unbeatable compared to the German-speaking countries. In the first step, we talk about your project and your needs. Then we will look at possible candidates here in Ukraine. We conduct the time-consuming initial interviews. If we have at least 3 suitable candidates, we will introduce them to you. After a Skype interview, for example, you decide which candidate is of interest to you. Until this moment, there are no costs or obligations for you. You have nothing to pay. If you tell us this guy is the right person, we bring him into your project. We provide working space, technical equipment, and the whole environment for instant work. Here's an example of successful outstaffing. We have a customer who was really very careful. He visited our company on site and spoke directly to possible candidates. He wanted to start with 2, maximum 3 software developers. We pre-selected 5 out of 20 applicants, with whom he did a second interview. Of these 5, he chose 3. They worked on his product 2 weeks later. It didn't take 5 weeks to this point. After 3 months, the customer saw that everything went as planned. At the beginning, he only wanted pure programming, no planning, pure processing of tickets here in the Ukraine. He changed his mind. 10 developers now worked for this customer alone, including software architects and UX experts, and all 9 months after its launch. Why Ukraine? Ukraine, especially Kyiv, has a very well-developed digital infrastructure. The level of education is also very high. The people here have the same social-cultural education as we do in Central Europe. This makes it particularly easy to integrate Ukrainian employees into existing teams. From Java for business logic to C for embedded systems, the Ukraine job market has the right software developer for you. The integration of such developers into an agile software development environment such as Scrum is possible with us without problems. Just contact us and let's talk about how we can push your project forward.